Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and right now I will be watching a song which was recommended to me. Now this is by two artists who go by the name. The one artist is called GVNG. I'm assuming it stands for Govind. If not, then I'm wrong. And the second artist is Who I Savi. So the song is called Thalam. It's a Malayalam song and my first time listening to them. So I don't want to delay this any further. Let's watch this song right away. I hope I have that. Sorry. Thank God. Oh, sorry, I missed a couple of shots. He's drunk, clearly, out of his wits. He's going to his car. Okay, interesting. Oh, they have made a formation. Doesn't this title card remind you of the Ronth title card? I cannot be the only one. I cannot be the only one thinking this. I mean, just an observation. Anyway.
താളം തരികിട താളം
Rhythm. Targit talam.
താളം തരികിട താളം
Ooh, interesting.
തരികിട പല കാതങ്ങളിൽ കൂടി സന്ദർശനം ചില പാഠങ്ങളിൽ തോന്നി അകർഷണം ഈ കാക്തികിൽ കണ്ടൊരു ലക്ഷണം മനവാദികളിൽ തോന്നി സംഘർഷം നിലപാടുകളിൽ ചൂടി വിമർശനം സ്വയവാചകങ്ങളിൽ നിസ്സംഗത വച്ച് നിറച്ച സ്പഷ്ട പരീക്ഷ പകർച്ചയായി
Oh, so I got it. Oh, this is an interesting concept. I love these kind of concepts in a music video. So what I was thinking is what it is. I mean, where these people, they are all versions of him only. It's faceless because it's him and his minds, like his thoughts, basically. They are his thoughts coming from all direction. Oh, that's very interesting.
താളം തരികിട താളം തരികിട പല കാതങ്ങളിൽ കൂടി സന്ദർശനം ചില പാഠങ്ങളിൽ തോന്നി അകർഷണം
Journey through different timelines, some lessons fascinated me. I'm guessing the timelines mean like different years. As you grow up, you are kind of jumping timelines in a way, right?
ഈ കാക്തികിൽ കണ്ടൊരു ലക്ഷണം മനവാദികളിൽ തോന്നി സംഘർഷം നിലപാടുകളിൽ ചൂടി വിമർശനം സ്വയവാചകങ്ങളിൽ നിസ്സംഗത വച്ച് നിറച്ച സ്പഷ്ട പരീക്ഷ പകർച്ചയായി പരിശോധന കാട്ടിയ കാഴ്ചകൾ ക്രോധമാ യാത്ര വഴിയോരങ്ങൾ താണ്ടി താണ്ടി ലക്ഷ്യമോ ചോദ്യമാ കണ്ണു തെളിഞ്ഞു കണ്ടപ്പോ അങ്ങ് അടഞ്ഞു കുറെ നിബന്ധനകൾ വിലങ്ങ് അഴിഞ്ഞു വന്നപ്പോലെന്ന് വഴങ്ങി കുറെ ഉൾമങ്ങലുകൾ മനസ്സാണ് തേടി പാരി തിരഞ്ഞ് റാപ്പിന്റെ നിയോഗമാ നല്ല സ്പന്ദനങ്ങൾ മരിക്കില്ല എന്നൊരു ശ്ലോകമാ എന്നെ കാത്തി നേടാൻ വാക്ക് തികഞ്ഞ് വാക്കത്തി പ്രയോഗമാ ചെളിപ്പാടങ്ങളിൽ ഇട്ട് കളിച്ചൊരു വിത്ത് മുളച്ചങ്ങ പൊക്കത്തിന്റെ.
That's so interesting. I think all of us go through this journey. Wow, I do like the rap. Like, what has been actually said in the lyrics? I'm going back because I was so much concentrating on the lyrics that I missed out on the visuals.
കണ്ണു തെളിഞ്ഞു കണ്ടപ്പോ അങ്ങ് അടഞ്ഞു കുറെ നിബന്ധനകൾ വിലങ്ങ് അഴിഞ്ഞു വന്നപ്പോലന്ന് വിളങ്ങി കുറെ ഉൾമങ്ങലുകൾ മനസ്സാണ് തേടി പാരി തിരഞ്ഞ് റാപ്പിന്റെ നിയോഗമാ നല്ല സ്പന്ദനങ്ങൾ മരിക്കില്ല എന്നൊരു ശ്ലോകമാ എന്റെ കാത്തി നേടാൻ വാക്കത്തെ കഞ്ഞ് വാക്കത്തെ പ്രയോഗമാ ചെളിപ്പാടങ്ങളിൽ ഇട്ടി കളിച്ചൊരു വിത്ത് മുളച്ചങ്ങ പൊക്കത്തിന്റെ.
Yeah, those are all versions of him, like his subconscious thoughts and all of those things.
താളം തരികിട താളം പല പാതകളിൽ നിന്ന് ഇടാകാടങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നടിക്കുന്ന സുലഭിത നാമം. താളം തരികിട താളം മഴക്കാടുകളിൽ വൃക്ഷത്തിൻ ചോട്ടിൽ ഒഴുകും സാവധാനം. താളം തരികിട താളം.
They are consuming him.
താളം തരികിട താളം മഴക്കാടുകളിൽ വൃക്ഷത്തിൻ ചോട്ടിൽ ഒഴുകും സാവധാനം. താളം തരികിട താളം.
I think shout out to the team. So that was, I'm guessing, GVND. So where's the other artist? Wait, I need to see the credits. So that was GVND. This part is not subtitled. Oh, now this should have been subtitled. I want to know what they're saying.
നല്ല സ്പന്ദനങ്ങൾ മരിക്കില്ല എന്നൊരു ശ്ലോകമാ എന്റെ കാതി നേടാ വാക്കത്തെ കഞ്ഞ് വാക്കത്തെ പ്രയോഗമാ ചെളിപ്പാടങ്ങളിൽ ഇട്ട് കളച്ചൊരു വിത്ത് മുളച്ചെന്ന പൊക്കത്തിന്റെ. താളം തരികിട താളം പലപാതകളിൽ നടിക്കുന്ന സുലഭിത നാമം. താളം തരികിട താളം മഴക്കാടുകളിൽ.
Not bad. Not bad. I like the messaging of this video actually, because I think it can be related to everybody in a way. Okay, let me stop this. Okay, the video was amazing, but I think it's the lyrics also which make the video even more awesome, because the representation of so many things coming at you, your mind itself is at so much of chaos, but if you find that one thing to kind of ground you, then I think you can sort yourself out completely. And for him, GVND, aka Govind, I guess, is rap. That's what he mentions. That when he kind of faced his thoughts, because see, throughout the day we get like 10,000, I don't know, I think there's a particular number that how many thoughts you get in a particular day. And obviously they're all chaotic. You pay attention to some, you ignore some, right? But point is that they are coming at us from all directions, right? And if we allow all these thoughts to consume us, then honestly we're not getting anything done in the day. We'll be the least productive people on the planet, right? But all of us, we found that one thing in the day that, okay, you know what, I just have to concentrate on this and I'm going to get through the day. So this is a day-to-day basis I'm saying, but in the larger context, if there is one thing, that's why people have dreams and goals, right? So if you concentrate on that particular thing which centers you completely, where you're like, okay, fine, you know what, this thing gives me solace, and that is for him. Rap, for you it could be something else. So I think that way I loved the lyrics, because there was this particular line right in the video where in the muddy field a seed was sown and that grew tall. Yes, that's what life is about, right? That is what life is about. So I think GVND did really great with the lyrics. I'm just gonna open up the credits for a second. I'm assuming GVND only has written the lyrics, produced by both of them, and performed by both of them, obviously. Also shout out to the person who did the 3D bit. When he talks about his rapping, you see the 3D thing. I really like that visual was amazing. Plus shout out to obviously all the dancers, they were great. And the whole concept of what the song is actually trying to tell, how it was visually represented, is what I love the most. This is where I really, really appreciate such music videos. And I am really glad that this was recommended to me, because when I see these kind of things, right, where a thought has been put to conceptualize a song, a video, where they want to show something through the visuals, I really, really appreciate. If you've watched me long enough, you know that I always say that whenever there's a music video where there's some sort of storytelling, I really, really get engaged. And this definitely caught my attention for sure. And I saw in the end credits when the song ended that both of them have actually done many more songs, which I would definitely be interested to watch. And but if you have come across these artists, if you have listened to these artists before, I would definitely want to know what are your thoughts, because this whole production, the way it was executed, I loved it. I really, really loved it. Also, I am a big proponent of taking a step back. What the song was also trying to say, that when you are in solitude and when you sit with your thoughts, when you actually start introspecting what all you are thinking, what all you are processing, because your thoughts gets processed as emotions and your opinions, right? So in solitude, you actually, when you face yourself, you understand a lot about yourself. So finding yourself is always internal. You know, people go and look for external things like, oh, I'll go to the mountains, I'll go to this, I'll find myself, I'll lock myself in. No, you have to just take a step back and just sit with yourself. That's it. That could be any place. That could be here at this moment. So yes, love the messaging of the song and love the whole video as well. So yes, that was my reaction to Thalam. Please let me know what are your thoughts. Thank you once again for getting this recommended. And yeah, I'm going to sign off now and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.